I've often seen public events where there is a well-known figure, like the leader of the country who's invited, and the people watching are all start booing that person in front of that person. And of course, it doesn't mean each individual is booing. There could be various opinions. But as a crowd, you see many, many people booing. And first of all, of course, we mustn't take for granted your freedom of speech, that you're allowed to boo that person. You cannot do that in every part of the world. But I'm undecided if it's ethical. I realize you're stating your opinion, but is that the right time and place? Maybe the right time and place is writing letters in the newspaper or giving presentations. It's like a contradiction to invite someone and then boo them. It's like me inviting a guest to my house, come on in, and then I say horrible things to them. Well, if they're horrible, then I mustn't invite them. So it's like a contradiction. You're invited as a guest, but you're going to get booed. And I have various feelings. I actually don't agree with the booing. That's my opinion. Even if I disagree and dislike that person, I would look for another way to state my opinion. I'm curious your opinion about booing in public. If you agree or don't agree, your opinions are always welcome. Thank you.